Hi everyone, it's Sunday, July 23rd, time for another HideNet Week in Review. I'm Vera Dordick. So it was another uneventful week in the U.S. hide market, but sellers did manage to firm up prices for most steer selections. Now that said, it did take a lot of work to get 50 cents more on some of those sales. Cows are steady for right now, as upholstery demand in Hebei is looking a little bit more optimistic for the second half of the year, we are told. At a high of $26 for selections averaging 62-64 pounds, and other steers were either steady to a touch higher. Now this week, the U.S. cattle on feed report came out, and it's indicating that the numbers are down by 2%, while the July 1 cattle inventory number is down by 3%. Combined export sales for the week ending July 13th were July 13th were down 24% from last week at 433,600. Combined shipments slipped 2% for the week, totaling 485,600. Estimated slaughter for the week ending yesterday, the 22nd of July, was 628,000, and that's just incrementally lower than the previous week. Turning to Europe, editor Andrea Guolo reports that sellers are giving discounts to those who buy in August, but they're holding out for a better market for September deliveries. Overall, tanneries are ready to close for the month. British prices were unchanged during the week at 70 cents sterling for the 36 plus kilo British ox, but there were some sales for August concluded 5 cents lower at 65 cents. In Ireland, the current price is still about 75 cents in euros. European bull prices are actually unchanged because tanneries aren't buying, and sellers realize it doesn't make sense to drop the price because no one's going to buy right now anyway. The price for North German bulls, 40-49 kilos, is €1. And once again, the Southern German hide prices for the heaviest selections are stable. The European cow market is seeing prices that are unchanged, but for those who will take August deliveries can get a discount. For veal skins, the best selections for the highest end of the market are doing well, while the premium and mass market range are less than stellar. In his analysis this week, Andrea looks at what's going on in the couple of weeks before the August break, and he touches on what some expect to happen come September. From South America, editor Ronald Guiel reports that fresh hide prices dropped another 3 cents to sell at 95 cents per kilo in reals. The reference price of TR1 remains stubbornly steady at 66 cents per square foot. Other Latin origins, with the exception of Argentina, remain unchanged again this week. In other news from Brazil, JBS reopened its unit in Huara, Mato Grosso, and it's going to add 2,000 new jobs in the area. And from elsewhere in Latin America, the continent actually produces 1.5 billion pairs of shoes annually. And in Mexico, that country's exports of hides and skins to Brazil plummeted so far this year in 2023. That is all we have for tonight, and until next week, good night from HideNet.